thank you for joining me this morning. And so these are monthly, second Saturday of every month. They're a beginner's guide to Canva. And I welcome you every month. And if you would like to have more advanced training, then please get in touch, because I also run private one-to-one sessions. This is Jane Tyson, Saturday with Keith Grover at our monthly Canva.
As I said, I don't use Canva, but I do need to know how it works, because I do recommend that people use it. So when I do LinkedIn training and I say, do your graphics, your background, header, banner, and so forth, use Canva, and they go, oh, how does that work? I need to know the answer. So, and the thing for me that I learned today was how to create a what's called a carousel, where you do a post on LinkedIn, for example, in my case, and then rather than just a simple static picture with it, you have a little slideshow.
Activity. There's my carousel that I made. So I've just uploaded it as a file, and that's what it comes out like. And you can just scroll through it as a file. So in today's video, I'm going to teach how I create a carousel on Canva. So here we are on the Canva landing page on the desktop. You can put it on your phone as well. I'm not going to go into the whole Canva training now, because you can come along either to my workshops for that, or have a one-to-one, or of course look on Canva itself. There's plenty of information on the site itself. So I'm going to go to all my designs, all your designs, which are here. And I'm going to head into one I made this morning, which is, let's have a look, which I think is here. So my husband had shared this on social, and I decided to change the post into a carousel. It was a post from 2016. So I created a Instagram size post from the create section. And then I copied and pasted the text into a separate document. I used Google Docs, and then gradually pasted sentences into here. So first of all, it was just a plain page I've used. If you want to change the background, you can change the colors in the background with the color swatch here. Yeah, I've got my own brand colors here. I've got my Resilient Kids brand colors here. I've got all sorts. I've got client brand colors, etc. But you can click on that to choose your color or add your own color in there. So I've got my orange that I was using for my Resilient Kids platform. There we go. Oh, don't want to do that, so I can click undo. So in 2016, my husband wrote that my children went on the summit, went on a mountain, basically. So this was the story of us climbing the mountain whilst we were living out in Tanzania. Okay. And all I did was, I'll go back to the beginning. All I did was to add pages. You can add pages there, or duplicate pages. So you can duplicate a page, and then I highlight the text, delete it, and then paste in my next sentence. In the elements section, you can add in arrows. So you can type it down the side. It says elements. I just click arrow and add an arrow, and then change the color of the arrow. I also can use my own pictures. So I import pictures. So in the uploads, there's a whole load of pictures there I can upload, or you can of course use photos from Canva itself. We had a laugh this morning over that one, over a graveyard. So yeah, that's it really. And then so you kind of put your text into the images. Scroll down like that. And then when you save it, this is it. This is the bit people don't always know. You go to download. I'm going to save it as a PDF. Download as a PDF. Download, and you can give it a name in the file section. It downloads to your desktop, wherever you're working on, your phone, and then you can upload it into LinkedIn or Instagram. On Instagram, it doesn't load up as a carousel. You have to click on the images to get it in the right sequence. But on LinkedIn, all you do, I'm going to go to my LinkedIn page Jane Tyson. Here we go. Teacher, community host. So here we are. I'm teaching you. I'm teaching you how to create a carousel. Go to posts and activity. All my activity. There's my carousel that I made. So I've just uploaded it as a file, and that's what it comes out like. And you can just scroll through it.
Quite like this. Oh, this is nice and relaxed. I like this.
So Keith, thanks for coming this morning to Canva, my monthly Canva clinic.
Thank you, Jane. Enjoyed it as always. Good to have a natter and to learn something as well at the same time.
Great. And what did you